Welcome to Spanish with Mike. I'm Mike, and this channel is designed to help foreigners learn Spanish effectively, the fun and easy way. On this channel, I'll be your guide through your adventure of learning Spanish. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with the language, my lessons are designed to take you step by step on your journey to Spanish fluency. From grammar rules to vocabulary, my lessons cover a range of topics to suit learners of all levels. I believe that learning a new language should be both effective and fun. That's why my teaching style is engaging and interactive, using real-life scenarios and cultural insights to help you not only learn the language, but also understand the diverse and rich cultures of the Spanish-speaking world. So, if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey to master the Spanish language, subscribe to my channel today and join me on this adventure. Let's learn Spanish. Vamos a aprender español.